Okay, so I have seen this a trend, and it's about me as a blank ranter. So I'm gonna try it.
Me as a talking hat ranter.
Me as a One Piece ranter.
Me as a Forsaken ranter.
Me as a Hunter x Hunter ranter.
Me as a creepypasta ranter.
Me as a ship ranter.
Me as a Sanrio ranter.
Me as a Pokemon ranter.
Me as a animal ranter.
Me as a car ranter.
Me as a Teletubbies ranter.
Me as a Apex Legends ranter. Sparrow-eyed heat.
Trapping, fighting, facing possible death. Oh, la bella vita.